plane soaring way up high. B is for the bus that waves as it rolls by. C is for the car, shiny, fast, and bright. D is for the door that swings open just right. Oh, the world is full of fun from A to Z. So many things to see for you and me. Sing along and let your heart agree. The alphabet's a journey, just wait and see. E is for elephant, stomping through the land. F is for fish, swimming wild and unplanned. G is for garden, with flowers in bloom. H is for the house, where we find our own room. Letters make the world so big and wide. Take a peek and let's take a ride. Colors and shapes from earth to the skies. The alphabet's alive in our curious eyes. I is for ice cream, so cold and so sweet. J is for jumping with light and quick feet. K is for kite, dancing high on the breeze. L is for the ladder, reaching up to the trees. M is for mountain, tall and so wide. N is for nest, where the baby birds hide. O is for ocean, deep blue and grand. P is for pirate ship, sailing near the sand. Q is for queen in her castle.